In the little fishing villages along the Tamil Nadu coast, pink is the new color of health and dignity. These little pink structures are the new toilets funded by NSE Foundation and constructed in association with the local government bodies. Aided by an intensive behavior change campaign, the community is embracing the importance of proper sanitation and water usage.
எங்களுக்கும் நல்லா இருக்கு. முன்னையெல்லாம் நாங்கள் பாத்ரூம் யூஸ் பண்ணாமல் இருந்தோம். இது எங்களுக்கு பாத்ரூம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எங்களுக்கு நல்லா சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. எல்லாருக்குமே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
Today, NSE Foundation is at the forefront of India's sanitation revolution. Aligned with Swachh Bharat Mission, it is working in more than 50 remote districts across 10 states. Access to clean drinking water and proper sanitation holds the key to community health and a life of dignity. Yet, for much of India, the road to water security and universal sanitation has been painfully long. NSE Foundation is committed to be a part of the effort to change this, drop by drop, brick by brick, village by village. NSE Foundation tries to approach the challenge in a holistic way, from building water and sanitation infrastructure to creating social awareness. Along with household toilets, community toilets are also being built, filling an important gap in the sanitation mosaic. Dysfunctional public toilets in schools, Anganwadis, and health centers are repaired and refurbished. Hand pumps are built in areas where access to clean drinking water is a problem. In drought-prone areas, dams are desilted and the carrying capacity of reservoirs is increased. Locally recruited volunteers run a rigorous awareness campaign. An organic part of the social texture, they have greater acceptability and therefore prove to be more effective. In many villages, the locals end up taking the initiative to set up water management teams. When it comes to instilling new habits, it makes sense to start with the young. Much of the NSE Foundation's interventions integrate education and sanitation.
हमें बीमारियों के बारे में पता चला, कौन सी चीज़ किस बीमारी से होती है, हमें संतुलित आहार के बारे में पता चला और हमें कैसा पानी पीना चाहिए। हम पानी की जांच भी करवाते हैं। हमें स्वच्छता के ऊपर भी कई सारी बातें बताई गई हैं।
आम्ही तिथं झिंबा फिल्टर लावल्यामुळे ते पाणी शुद्ध आहे. आम्ही ते आनंदाने पितो, त्यामुळे आता कोणी विद्यार्थी आजारी पडत नाहीत.
In village schools, toilets are retrofitted, making them ventilated and clean, girl-child friendly and easy to use for little children. Proper water facilities are built. Drinking water taps are separated from the washing stations. Everything is made accessible to smaller or differently able children.
बाथरूम ऐसी थी, शौचालय अब सही बन गया। उसमें पहले ऐसे कीटाणु होते थे, अब बिल्कुल भी नहीं है।
Teachers are sensitized, as are the kitchen staff. Kitchens are made clean and hygienic. Sanitation is taught in and out of classrooms using innovative methods. In fact, Much of sanitation is about paying attention to the details, like not going barefoot to toilets, knowing when to wash one's hands, and how to segregate trash and dispose it properly. Adolescent girls are trained in menstrual hygiene and proper pad disposal.
நான் வந்து இப்போ ஸ்கூலுக்கு வர்றப்பனா ஒரு பயம் இல்லாமல் பதட்டம் இல்லாமல் தைரியமாக வர்றதுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது.
With sanitation initiatives, the dropout rate has also come down significantly, particularly amongst girls. Child cabinets are formed. The children are encouraged to play an active part in maintaining the hygiene standards in the school. They also become ambassadors for sanitation in their family and in their community.
जो हम यहाँ से जो शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हैं वो जब घर पे जाते हैं तो घर पे भी हमारे मम्मी पापा हमारे आस पड़ोस के लोग उनको ही बताते हैं.
The local people are encouraged to invest in the school, both emotionally and in kind. The contributions may be small, but it goes a long way in building community ownership and sustainability. The efforts are adding up. Much of the NSE Foundation project areas are now open defecation free with high sanitation awareness.
पहले हर दूसरे दिन 10-15 बच्चे बीमार रहते थे, पर अब बच्चों में बहुत सुधार है. बच्चों में बहुत अच्छी हैबिट डेवलप हुई है इन लोगों के आने से. इससे यही है भाई बीमारियां दूर जाती जा रही है.
In village after village, heads are being held high. And the public health indicators are going up. Because our relationship with water and sanitation really defines the quality of our life.